Hello, my name is Dr. Sara Hurtado Bares, and I'm honored to join the National Hispanic Medical Association for this year's Stronger Together Against HIV initiative in recognition of National HIV Testing Day. HIV testing is one of the most important tools we have to support early diagnosis, to connect individuals to care, and to reduce stigma surrounding HIV. Many people delay testing because of fear, stigma, cost concerns, or uncertainty about symptoms and access to care. And that's why it's so important that we continue building supportive and culturally responsive healthcare environments where individuals feel safe seeking care and asking questions. Today, you'll hear a powerful community story that reminds us why routine testing, compassionate care, and patient trust matter. Whether you are a healthcare provider, an advocate, a community leader, or someone seeking information for yourself or for a loved one, I encourage you to listen, reflect, and continue the conversation around HIV awareness and prevention.
My journey with HIV testing didn't start with courage. It started with fear. Fear of the results, fear of the stigma, fear of what it would mean for my life and for my family. You see, back in 2000, getting tested felt like walking into a room where everybody already knew the ending to a movie, and I haven't even started watching it. And when the diagnosis came, it hit me really hard. Not just the words "you're positive," but everything I thought those words meant. I thought my life was over. I didn't know that it was the beginning of a very different chapter for me. Trying to access care in those early days was its own battle. There were waiting lists, there was paperwork, insurance hoops to jump through, people who talked about me instead of to me. And then there were those quiet times, the times where I didn't feel worthy of care, where shame made every phone call, every conversation, every visit just heavier than it should have been. But here's the thing. Those challenges shaped who I am today. They sharpened my voice. They taught me how to advocate first for me and then now for other people. They pushed me into rooms where stories like mine weren't even told, and they taught me that lived experiences have value. And if I could tell healthcare providers just one thing, I think it would be this. We're not just patients, we're not just clients, we're not just numbers on a clipboard. We're people navigating, and we're going through fear, trauma, culture, family expectations, and histories that don't always make space for being vulnerable. You see, sometimes we need information, sometimes we need compassion, and then sometimes we just need someone to slow down long enough to notice us. So, my invitation to anybody watching this video is get tested. Know your status. Take that pen and write your own story. Not tomorrow, not someday, today. Because your life is worth that kind of care. Your future is worth that kind of courage. And when you have hope, real hope, it just begins with one single step. Go get tested. And if you're scared, that's natural, that's normal. You should be scared, but walk with us. We've been there, we're still here, and I hope we're not going anywhere. I'm Daniel G. Garza, and thank you for listening.
Thank you for taking the time to listen to this important story and conversation. Experiences like this remind us that HIV prevention and care are not only medical issues, but also deeply connected to trust, culture, mental health, stigma, and access to compassionate healthcare. National HIV Testing Day is an opportunity to remind ourselves and our communities that routine HIV testing is an important part of overall health and wellness. Early testing and diagnosis can save lives and help individuals access the care and support they deserve. As healthcare providers, advocates, and community members, we all have a role in creating spaces where people feel supported rather than judged. If you or someone you know has been hesitant to get tested, I encourage you to take that step, ask questions, and seek care. You're not alone. We also encourage you to explore the CDC's HIV resources linked in the video description below. Please take a moment to review them, download them, and share them with your communities to help continue spreading awareness and education around HIV testing and prevention. Together, we can build healthier and more informed and more compassionate communities. Thank you for joining us for Stronger Together Against HIV.